Hi guys, so this unboxing video is from an Instagram brand called Byootique, and I received this giveaway prize. I entered this at the beginning of December, so I'm so excited because it's a makeup brush bag. So if you're a makeup artist, you need a makeup brush bag. Because where I've been storing them is in my Appts glam bags, the one with the drawstrings and the strings. It's the big type, not the little Appts pouch bags, but the bigger ones. Where is it? Oh, I don't have it here. It's over there. I was gonna show you next time. Or I also store my brushes here in my plastic bag. This is from a dress that I received. It's just, these are the ones that I use, so it doesn't matter how I store them. But for clients, I use a better looking bag, because I didn't have a makeup brush bag until now, finally. So I'm excited. I'm gonna open it up now. So they have a bunch of other things. They have makeup cases, like for bigger ones for makeup artists that I want to buy, but it's probably like more than $100. Like, I can't remember. It's pretty pricey. I don't have the money for all of that, but ooh, it smells new. Okay, so of course I got black, so it comes with a zipper here. Let me open it to see how big that is. It's okay. You can put maybe your powder puffs here, or your clips, maybe like mascara, like eyebrow tools, mascara ones, like things like that, maybe here. And then right here you put your brushes. So let me do an example. Oh, it's so realistic. I have a freaking eyelash stuck on my brush. Okay, so there's one spot here, and then another here, and another here. So 3 little slots for your brushes. So right here, since they're small, you can put like 2 or 3 in each slot. So okay, the next department is just a mesh bag. So you put your makeup products in here. It's the size of my hand. My hand is really small, so it's not a super big compartment, but it's fine. These are more slots here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then more on the top to put more brushes inside. So maybe like more of the skinnier ones here, because you see these are more smaller than these. So maybe your eye brushes, eyebrow brushes, if you're more of your face brushes, or you can put your beauty blenders in here. I don't know, but and that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and it comes with a little handle here, so you can grab it like this. And of course they also have a zipper at the front where you can put more stuff. It fits my hand. As you can see, it's a very small makeup brush bag. This is only to carry for your essentials, and if you're just having one client per day, not necessarily a lot, because it's too tiny. Like, imagine, like, no, you can't really fit a lot of brushes in here. So I don't mind. I'll still use it for whatever amount of clients I have. I'll just have to use a separate Appts bag and add more brushes, excuse me, inside if none of them fit all here. Okay, so yeah, I'm so excited. I'm the most excited about this because I always wanted a makeup brush bag or professional looking bag for makeup clients because I don't. I'm slowly building my professional makeup kits and stuff, so yay. Thank you, Byootique, for sending me this giveaway. They also have a bunch of things. I might put their Instagram here, or maybe like a screen recording of all the things they have for makeup artists. Or if you're not a makeup artist but a beauty lover and you need like a lot of space to put your makeup in, or I don't know, or for traveling, they have cute stuff. They have a lot of different prints, designs. They don't just have the plain black design. They have different things. I think they even have like for lighting, like I can't remember everything. But for the most part, it's makeup cases, bags, you know. So yay. I'm so happy, excited for this. I want to do somebody's makeup, so if you're in the Houston area, hit me up on Instagram or email me. I'll put my info there so I can do your makeup for free. Alright, I'm trying to build my portfolio, but I do charge. If I'll put the prices here in case you're interested. I've done 2 gigs this year. I'm hoping for the next year I get to do more. So yeah, in case y'all want me to do your makeup and you live in Houston area, I can travel to you. So I don't have like a salon space yet. Imagine one day, but for now it's just me going to your space, alright, your location. Or we can set something up, like maybe like pay for a hotel, or I don't know. We'll have to discuss that in private, you know. So I don't know, you know, we'll figure it out. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So bye. Thanks so much for watching. Maybe at the end I'll insert a clip of me putting it inside and then put it here. I don't know, we'll see. But okay, yay, bye. Thanks so much.